Kill switch off. What's up, guys? I'm Ben.
I'm Joe, and this is another episode of Back on the Snow.
The first episode, I guess.
So, first episode of Back on the Snow, and what we're doing is we're starting a YouTube channel, trying to get people into snowmobiling. Brand new sleds, 15 grand.
Yeah, way too much money.
And we want to kind of show you some stuff you can do. So, through this, we're going to show you our episodes of what to do to fix the sled, kind of get it up and running, and kind of have some fun eventually and get it back on the snow.
Yep. Yeah, I mean, you don't have to spend a fortune to get into snowmobiling. You know, I didn't know at first. I've only been doing it for a couple of years. Joe got me into it myself. So, you know, coming from the South, I had never snowmobiled before, but if you like motorcycles or ATVs or any of that other kind of stuff, like snowmobiling, if you're in a climate that supports it, is pretty cool. So.
Or if you're within a 10-hour drive of
Michigan,
exactly. Minnesota,
you're still gonna have to drive somewhere.
Even out west, find somewhere. Yeah. So, anyways, we're gonna next probably about 10 to 15 episodes, depending on how much content we get. We're gonna take this 440 Arctic Cat Panther, take you from the beginning process of us purchasing it. Yep. All the way to the point where we can sell it and get it back
this
on the
snow. This is 90%, I'd say. Yeah. 90%?
90%. So you'll get to see step one where it was not 90%.
No. It was 90% crap.
Yeah, so I promise you there's going to be a lot of work you'll see done, so you'll hopefully learn a few things. One thing we want to do with our channel too is we're trying to keep it PG for the kids. Our goal is make this kid friendly, teach them some stuff, let you be able to watch it with your kids.
Family friendly, man. Not too much of that stuff out on YouTube for doing this kind of thing. Yeah. So, you know, eventually, you know, depending on you guys, depending on how many viewers and, you know, subscribers and everything else that we get, eventually we'd like to do a sled and we'd like to give it away to a viewer.
But if, you know, gains a little popularity, get some sponsors, we'd like to give it back. We'd like to be able to give sleds out to people to get them into snowmobiling. So we're gonna chronicle that in the next, like I said, 10, 15 episodes. Hopefully you guys enjoy it.
Yeah, you'll see us again soon.
Yeah,
peace
back
out.
on the snow. Okay, we're driving to pick up a 1997 Arctic Cat Panther 440, nice fan cooled. Hit up the guy on Facebook. He's asking $250 for it. Only thing that we noticed that's really bad is that the front of the hood doesn't look like it's really attached. So that's going to be kind of the deciding factor.
Hopefully it is attached.
Yeah,
somewhat.
That'd be a real bonus if it's attached at this point. But for $250, can't really go too wrong, we don't think. So we'll see what we got, see how the track looks. I got the compression tester. Kind of one of the big things you want to do, make sure it's got some compression.
It's usually helpful for an engine to start.
Yeah, so the guy said it doesn't start, said it needs no fuel lines, carb clean. My guess, I'm no mechanic or anything, would be that there's that line that goes into the tank that has rotted off. And that's probably the main problem causing not to get fuel. So, your thoughts?
We'll see how that goes. Yeah. Good luck to us.
Eventually.
Here we are. Fresh back at the crib. Oh, look at that beaut. Look at her.
Dad, I think
No, that's not good at all, and that is really rusty.
We were a very, very, you know, well-oiled crew.
A lot of liquid coming out of this thing.
Yeah, I saw that it was dripping out. There was a hose though.
Dad,
Gas?
Dad, let's go sway.
Water?
Yes. Something.
Dad,
No, it's missing a little bit here on the hood.
Dad, I'm not.
It doesn't seem to fit properly. It's got these really sweet aftermarket hood stays. Yeah, those are primo.
Newer carbides.
The world's largest gun rack.
What is it?
It's a gun rack.
A gun rack?
Here's the best part about buying any snowmobile. You always get some treasures back
Oh,
here.
let's see what we got.
Oh,
Oh, what
I
is
was
it?
hoping
What is
for.
it?
Yeah.
Yeah! It's a sign that's been used.
They gave us a tool.
Toolkit.
All right.
Can I have it?
Sure.
Thank
There you
you.
go, bud.
Look at that.
I'll
Oh.
take the rope and the ratchet.
All right. Sounds good.
Up off.
Mud flap. Look at that thing. Prime condition. Prime condition.
Looks like it was.
Studded by a one-eyed blind man.
My left eye is, I'm legally blind in my left eye.
Oh yeah. Honestly, I expected more treasures back here.
They're always after me, Lucky Charms.
Yeah.
Came with the key.
Yeah, that's always good. Here you go, Joey. Here's more.
Thank you.
More sockets. Watch out.
How do
I
you
truthfully
open?
believe that's how reverse works. Look at this.
It's basically
Not reverse. Reverse and not reverse. I mean, it's got the green pull handle. It's a little slack in
I
there.
think that they just cut it too long.
I think so too.
So I think we're good there. Only 1,900 miles.
Oh, let's look at that odometer there. Oh yeah.
Can't complain about that. Shucks that up a little bit. I'm gonna say about 39 miles on it. So probably got about 38 miles before they crashed it.
No, you're probably right. It's been here in Arlington Hills.
Yeah.
Route 12 rental. It was a rental sled. You know this thing's been treated well.
Yeah.
I feel like I've been rode hard and put up wet.
What I really love is just all the rust.
You know what? Yeah. I'm not gonna lie to you. It's built for like when you hit bumps, you can really just ride them.
Yeah, you just rock. Oh, it's missing a bolt over
We're
here.
missing one here too.
Yeah, so that's what it is.
And that's where he gets us.
I think it was made in Ohio.
So he was asking 250. Told me he wouldn't be offended, so we offered 175. I ended up doing 200. I think it's a good deal. I think worst comes to worst, it's got enough parts on it. But I don't think we're gonna do that. I think this one's gonna be a rider.
It's a rider. Two
Yeah.
up. It's hard to find two ups.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So
I'm-
side of the seat's good, so maybe I can get away with just taking this off and taking it to my guy.
Possibly.
Maybe just be very careful. Okay.
Jeez, this hook looks like
Yeah, it's some cracks there.
So spare belt, I like.
Suzuki engine. I like.
Got the Suzuki 440.
Yay. It's the same engine as mine.
Yeah. Got some holes in the belly pan, so you know it's gotta be fast. Honestly, we get a good hood. You got all the pieces here still.
We've got a patch at the bottom.
Yeah.
Here, you got the hood.
Yeah.
See a zip tie. That's always a good sign.
Yeah. The windshield's a little bit different than the other hood we got.
Ooh, maybe that's going to be the difference.
Well, I got good windshields for that other hood.
All right.
Car boots are junked. Definitely smell some varnish under here.
Done. Done organizing them all.
It's crazy it's not hydraulic brakes.
Yeah!
Here, I'll hold it for you.
It's fluid?
Oh, it's manual brakes, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
What is manual brakes?
So it's not the hydraulic, so you gotta hit him a little bit harder, use a little bit of muscle. So I think kind of the plan, looking under here, obviously you can get it cleared out here in a few weeks. Spring break's coming up in what, about 3 weeks?
Yep.
3 weeks, get to it. Ben's gonna take it to his house because I know if it's around me, I'm gonna start messing with it.
Yeah, and I don't mess with anything.
Yeah, so Ben's pretty good at not touching anything. I don't know if the fuel pump's good or not. It's definitely mounted to a weird spot.
At least it's mounted.
That's true. No, here, we'll
I think we'll find Mickey Mouse in
shut
that.
that off.
Dad.
Yeah. Look at that. That's going good.
Yeah.
Yeah.
No, he said he had it running this year. I don't know if I believe that.
It looks a little rough to be running this year, but it's registered for this year.
It is.
So
Dad. I think.
So I think kind of the plan, basic stuff. First things first is next week. Pull this into your garage and vacuum it out. On
yeah.
the plus side, it doesn't look like it's full of mouse crap.
No, that's true.
Doesn't smell like mouse crap at least.
I've had a lot more mouse crap in my garage before.
Yeah. So we'll do that. Get it all vacuumed out. Pull the seat off because the tank's attached to the seat. Get the tank all cleaned out. The inline filter's gone, so you got the filter pickup line in the side of the tank. That's gone. So I'll have to get that taken care
I
of.
wonder if the rest of the fuel gauge is also resting at the bottom of the tank.
So I'm gonna say, and this is a conservative guess, we're gonna find several of these
Yeah, there's gonna
fuel
be some
things at the
pieces
bottom.
down there.
No, I
Yeah.
don't know if it's really stock of Arctic Cat in 97 to go ahead and put like a drywall screw in, but maybe, I don't know, it's crazy times.
You know,
Crazy times.
cost
so,
cutting.
Yeah.
It's corporate America.
Greed, for lack of a better word, is good.
So we compression tested up at 60 on each, but the compression testers from Harbor Freight, so as long as they're equal, we're good. I think it's gonna be good. I don't know.
Only one way to find out. Hey everybody, we've been grinding away here at Back in the Snow, and it's all thanks to you. Remember to hit the like button like you do your throttle, subscribe if you're not already, and drop your 2 cents down in the comments. We love hearing from you. Stay tuned because we've got more snowmobile restoration coming your way in the upcoming weeks. Hope to see you all back on the snow.